This blue line tells me shorts need to be mindful of this today. And the red line up here, obviously, this is the battlefields currently that I'm seeing on the daily chart. And we certainly got the green line above that too. So the most important thing, in my opinion, is not necessarily just the open, but where's our close today? You know, so the 5-minute chart starting to turn itself around the blue line, trying to run. You know, early morning traders aren't going to be trying to, you know, kill it down here after a 20-point move. So the real question becomes, you know, how far will this bounce before the shorts start to, you know, hammer it one more time? This is a perfect setup over here for the bounce yesterday. And then here's our gap down here. And we've got like an island in here. You know, yesterday is a fairly important structure right now because we've got a gap back here too. So today's plan should be to hit a bounce. Think of it as a scalp with a trend, but you know, there's no guarantee that we're going to go any lower today. This low is considered, you know, you can look at the volume come out here. That's considered now support until broken. And if you take scalp short, just assume that they're a scalp and that the low's already in. It's safer that way. Then be surprised, pleasantly surprised if you get something more. 14, we said let's be aware of the 9.5. That was the prior low, and now we also need to be aware of this 14. That could become pivotal today at 1375. And that's the way I'm looking at that. There's a magnet there at 14 right now. So prior to the open, don't forget, you know, we've got a bounce rule coming. We've got a 456 trade on right now, and in my opinion, I'm not looking for home runs. You know, we had a great day yesterday, and today we don't want them getting back in our pocket. Simple as that. So currently, that's our angel trying to hold and support. And obviously, back in here is the demon. First things first, this guy right in here is our resistance. Get above that, anything can happen today. And I think first rotation in ID will be what it's all about. Let's take a quick peek at RPH. You can see how important it's going to be at the open to either we're under 20 or we're above 20. Under 20 favors the bears. And if we get above, you can see overnight where we hit the ring line. So that's still considered, in my opinion, as a significant resistance. And the last hour push right there. That low right in here, 18. So I think this will be a critical area this morning. Because it has been. And once you get over and under, then it tends to be more range. But I think over time, in the next couple of days, well, not the weekend obviously, but next couple of days, that 1802 is you know, going to come into play, no doubt. It just seems like the the longs have lost some of their mojo. And rightfully so, after 5 years, you know. We said we needed a healthy pullback. We're getting one. Still not enough, but we said we wanted a 50-point pullback. And we're getting a lot closer to it. So, range trading for now. My suggestion, don't try for home runs. You know, try to get on the scoreboard early, and then we'll see what it sets up.